did about 100 k's the other day, going up to the gun club and back. So what does it Endless recommends for breading in process?
Yeah, they say don't do it until the pads have had time to seat, so go drive for a couple of days. And then once they're seated, we're going to do 8 to 10 medium hard stops from about 80 or 100 kilometers an hour down to 20. Try not to stop during this process because you don't want the pads to leave material in one spot on the rotors. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to move material from the pad to the rotor so that it has something to grab onto, if that makes sense.
So we'll head up to our wee testing location, get some heat into the car, and you can join us there for some bedding in process.
Yes, Mexico.
Yes, Mexico.
So,
we have arrived in Mexico.
yes, Mexico.
We have some temperature in the car as well.
It looks like WA, but it's not. So yeah, you want to find a road where you can get to 80 kilometers an hour legally. Not a lot of traffic around you because you're going to be stopping relatively quickly. And then do a series of stops from, like I said, 80, 90 down to about 20, medium hard pressure. Build some heat in the rotors. Do that 8 or 10 times. And then if it still doesn't feel good, you can repeat that process again. But we should be okay with one time. So wait for these people to get out of our way a little bit.
That's quite a click on those
Clickies.
yeah.
Braking. So you don't want to get into the ABS. You just want to kind of, like if you were stopping quickly for an amber light, and then get back to 80-ish, 90-ish.
Key point, don't stop the car.
Yeah. So you want to do it somewhere where there's no traffic lights where you're going to get caught. And while you do this, you might feel a little bit of brake fade because obviously you're getting the brakes somewhat hot.
Oh, we got brake fluid at home.
Well, there's brake fluids. So they're starting to get grabby now.
Yeah, they want that.
So that was 4 or 5. And then you can do a couple of harder stops if you want to. And then the important thing is once you've done this is to let them cool completely before, like I said, you come to a stop or try and use them because they might not work very good. So we'll do one more stop here. Back seat. Braking. So there's some heat in there now. So yeah, 8, 9, 10 stops. And then drive home normally, let them cool. Try not to stop. When you get home, don't put the parking brake on. And then the brakes are ready for whatever you got.
As always, do the like, comment, subscribe thing. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yes. Drop here.